Lugaliki, the first Kenyan doctor whose life was claimed by COVID-19, is being buried today in her home in Bungoma County. The first death of a Kenyan doctor from COVID-19 plunged the medical fraternity into sorority and mourning. About 200 other doctors are battling the COVID-19 virus across the country. Lugaliki is suspected to have contracted the virus. In the line of duty, her workstation had 2 doctors with the virus, making her a primary contact. And the pictures, of course, live on your screen are what's happening at her home in Bungoma, the burial of Dr. Doreen Lugaliki. A sad day indeed for the medical fraternity and for Kenya at large. The death and, of course, now the burial of the first Kenyan doctor who we lost to COVID-19, that is Dr. Doreen Lugaliki. And, of course, the burial, as you have seen, is currently underway in her Bungoma home. Let's move